Haya, malizie. God does not restrain his anger. Even the cohorts of Rahab cowered at his feet. How then can I dispute with him? How can I find words to argue with him? Though I were innocent, I could not answer him. I could only plead with my judge for mercy. Exactly. Like, this is now true, because you see, in this thing of spirituality, you can't go to God that you're trying to prove that, unajua mimi si mbaya, as in I've done this and no. What you go to him to ask is for mercy, man. Because I mean, even I was talking to you the other day about this thing. In salvation, first it starts with self-awareness, in the first step of transformation. Pale self-awareness, you will see how dark you are. Like, you will see the darkness that resides in the human being. And now this is even something that I came to find out, that it later elevates you as a human being, because when you see yourself for who you truly are, hautakuwa na kama ile point you're trying to achieve something in the kingdom. No. You will have the humility to look at everyone and everything as standard, because the darkness is real. The darkness is there. And that is why there is a kingdom of darkness and there's a kingdom of light. And that is why Jesus Christ came, that the kingdom of light may dwell among men. Ndio maana hata tutakuja uone pale Revelation pale mwisho, when the battle has been won, because there's a battle that will be won, bwana. Now the kingdom of light will take course and God's dwelling place will be among men. So please, bwana, take up this privilege. Wacha mchezo, bwana. This thing ya salvation is real. It's true. There is light and there is darkness. Na hii kikupita saa hii, in this lifetime you are living, hakutakuwa na round 2 ya kurudia, please. So please, anchor yourself to the truth. Anchor yourself to God. Pray. Seek the face of God. Sio hand pekee. Unajua hand ni nipe. But the face, at least you will have a transformation in you. And this will change you forever. The meantime, peace.